In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time blocking in Notion. Time blocking is a simple but powerful way to take control of your day. Instead of just keeping a long to-do list, you actually assign specific times on your calendar for each task or activity. This helps you stay focused, avoid multitasking, and see clearly how your day is structured. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set up and adjust your time blocks using Notion Calendar. First, open Notion and look at the left-hand side of your screen. In the sidebar, you'll see an option for Notion Calendar. Go ahead and click that. If it's your first time using it, it may take a moment to load, but once it's open, you'll see a familiar calendar layout with days, times, and events. Think of this as your central hub for planning your day with time blocks. Next, you'll want to choose the specific schedule item or event you want to work with. On the calendar view, click directly on an existing event or on a time slot where you'd like to create a new one. This event represents your time block. It could be something like deep work, emails, project planning, or even personal activities like workout or reading. Giving your blocks clear names makes it easier to see at a glance what you're supposed to be doing at any moment. Once you've selected the event, you'll notice that it has edges at the top and bottom. Move your cursor to the bottom edge of the event and wait for a small arrow or resize handle to appear. This is your cue that you can adjust the duration of that time block. When you see it, click and hold, then drag the edge up or down to shorten or lengthen the block. As you drag, you'll see the start and end times update in real time, so you can set exactly how long you want to devote to that activity. This simple click and drag action is what makes time blocking in Notion so flexible. You can quickly extend a block if a task takes longer than expected, or shrink it if you finish early. Try grouping similar tasks into consecutive blocks and leave small gaps for breaks or transitions. Over time, you'll get a better sense of how long things actually take, and you can adjust your calendar to match your real working style. That's all you need to start time blocking in Notion. Open the calendar,